Bulldozers Big Day by Candace Fleming and Eric Roman.
It was Bulldozer's big day, and he couldn't wait to invite all his friends to his party. Motor humming and blade held high, he zoomed, bump, vroom, across the construction site. Guess what today is? Whooped Bulldozer when he got to where Digger Truck was working. Digger boomed. I don't need to guess, kid. Today is a scooping day. Scooping, scooping, scooping. And a sifting day. Dump Truck rumbled. Sifting, sifting, sifting. Bulldozer's blade drooped a little. He rolled to where Cement Mixer was working. Guess what today is? Called Bulldozer. I already know, Cement Mixer belched. Today is a stirring day. Stirring, stirring, stirring. And Bulldozer's blade drooped a bit lower. He rumbled to where Scraper and Grader were working. Guess what? Began Bulldozer. Guess? Scraper rattled. Who has time to guess? Today is a filling day. Filling, filling, filling. And a chopping day, Grader clattered. Chopping, chopping, chopping. And Bulldozer's blade drooped lower still. He bumped to where Roller Truck was working. Do you care what today is? Asked Bulldozer. No, Roller grumbled. With a hiss of smoke, he huffed away. Mashing day, he muttered. Mashing, mashing, mashing. And Bulldozer's blade drooped so low, it almost touched the ground. He crawled to where Crane Truck was working. I don't suppose you know what today is, Bulldozer said with a sigh. Of course I do, Crane clanged. You do? Asked Bulldozer. His blade rose hopefully. It's a lifting day, Crane banged. Lifting, lifting, lifting. And this is my sixth and last. Woot! The construction whistle blew. Bulldozer turned away, his blade dragging sadly in the dirt. No games, he sniffled. No friends, no party. Then... a different kind of whistle blew. Toot! Hoot! Ooh! Lots of whistles blew. You do know what today is, cried Bulldozer. And as his friends revved their engines and honked their horns, Bulldozer raised his blade high and made a wish. Hooray! Blared the others. Then Bulldozer squealed, What are we waiting for? Let's dig in! And they did.